Yes, I hear the Lord. Let miracle hand over to miracle. Let growth hand over to growth. Receive it right now.
Very.
of, in spite of, you can never love in fullness. And yet sinners, Christ.
I'm super excited today. I have a good feeling for today, guys. I'm just waking up from sleep. This is Thursday. Sorry, this is Friday. And this is after 5 in the evening. I just want to give you guys an update about what has been going on so far with my visa process to Poland. So like I told you guys that my dad is going to travel to Abuja to do some findings about this visa shit. So he traveled recently and at least he came back with good news. After arriving in Abuja, he went straight to the embassy, that's the Poland embassy. He went there and he met a guy there who introduced him to a reliable agent. So he went to the agent's office and they gave him the prices and the document I need to bring for Poland study visa. Like I said, this is the only way I can get to Poland with study visa. Either I go there with work, students, with work visa, with study visa, or with residence permit, blah blah blah. So we are going for student visa. She gave us the prices for each visa. Student visa is 1.6 million. Work visa is 2 million. Then residence permit visa is 4 million. For the appointment, they said is 700k to get an appointment, because appointment comes once in every month. Even that once in every month, you cannot even get the appointment. My dad said, okay, he has shared. The next day, to clear his mind, he went back to the embassy. So I'm getting there, he met with the security guy, and the security guy called someone from inside the embassy to talk to. So after all that, they met. After meeting, the guy told my dad everything that has been going on, the delays and all that. They told him what is needed to be done about the visa. Now, this is where the confusion is coming in. Now, my husband is saying he needs legal matters. Legal matters is a way of making my residence permit, since my husband has his own residence permit there in Poland. So we need legal matters to make my own residence permit. According to my husband, he said he can make a residence permit for me even if I'm not there in Poland. Now we are trying to go with legal matters instead of student visa now. So to book appointment for legal matters is 50k. Then I'm going to notarize my passport. After notarizing my passport, I will send it to Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Abuja. Then after Ministry of Foreign Affairs, I've stamped the notarized passport. Then I'll have to take it to Poland embassy. Then Poland embassy will do their findings and all that. Then send it to Poland. Just like that. Going round. My husband said we should look for another country. We should look for any other Schengen country I can go, since my France was denied. Or we can reapply for France again, anyone. We're just trying to make a way to make this time a congratulatory one. To make this time, this visa, this time, not last time. Last time was... So we want to make this one real, like the visa is in my hands this time. That's what I want this time. I don't want any trouble, any delay, nothing. Right now we are in the process of authorizing my passport. My dad is trying, Hey, my dad is really trying. He's trying a lot. Like, he's the one helping me with all this process. Like I said, without him, well, how am I going to do all this shit without my dad? So kudos to my dad for helping me with all these things. So my dad has taken his passport to the lawyer, and the lawyer will do all the notarization and all that, and then we can send it to Abuja. I'll have to pay 30 euro at Polish embassy to legalize my passport. Guys, making a visa as a Nigerian citizen, God, making a visa as a Nigerian citizen. I didn't knew it was like this. I did not know it was like this. It's so hard. It's fucking hard to make a visa as a Nigerian citizen. It's stressful. it's really stressful. It's not easy at all. You have to go through stress. Like one day they'll tell us to bring our grandmother or our great grandfather or our grand grandfather that is already dead. We should go and dig their grave and bring them out to present it at the embassy. Now wow. Hey. If I tell you I'm not tired, I'm lying. I'm tired. If there's any other update about my visa process, I'll let you guys know. Okay, you guys are coming along with me throughout this process, and you guys will see me smile. That is what I want. I want to smile. So I'll talk to you guys later.